生命是突然，可别让天被动作。
I was like 8 when I really started hate the fats on my face and my scars and my shape. Hey, tell me what you see in my eyes. Can you taste? Wait, do you think I'm handsome? I'm finger, yeah, I'm handsome. Follow my this, follow my dad, follow my OnlyFans. Huh? Penny like this, looking like that. They all on my chat. How do I feel now that I rap? All these rappers whack, pussy boys, copycats. They just copy other rap. Keep it low key. If you don't know me, don't F-word me. I am not your broski. Yeah, my name is Fang. I'm 11 out of 10, and I want a couple Benz, ride around with girls.